Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another mini unboxing video. So here are my samples. And if you guys notice my yellow shirt, it is the same day as my Buzz Agent mini unboxing video. But anyways, I just got this in the mail, so I wanted to unbox it for you guys. So anyways, let's start off with PinchMe, this one right here. I will be leaving a link on the description box for all of these companies, so you guys could also get free products. So anyways, let's start off with PinchMe. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. So it comes with a card and it says follow us on social media. And on the other side it says your exclusive product trial starts now. Please keep an eye out for a follow-up email, PinchMe, with instructions on what to do next. So they sent me 2 products in here, and both products are for my hairy children. They sent me 2 little food products here. It is a Bella green-free pate with vegetables, with chicken, carrots, and potatoes, and savory juices. My hairy children love these, so I know they're going to enjoy these so much. And they also sent me the Bella green-free pate with vegetables, with lamb, peas, and sweet potatoes. This one right here. I'm sure they're gonna be super excited tonight. So that is everything that I got from PinchMe. Okay, now on to the last box here. I already opened it. Let's see where I got this from. It just says, Dear Reviewer, thank you for taking part in the Urban Skin RX and Viewpoints sampling program. After receiving the sample, we ask that you write a review about your experience with the product. Please take your time using the product and be thoughtful while considering how well it works. So it just has more information of what to do to review it, and it says that they sent me an email, so I'm going to have to check my email for that. So this is what the box looks like inside. So they sent me the Clear Complexion Acne Serum Plus Spot Treatment by Urban Skin RX. This is what the packaging looks like. So let's open it up, and this one says it is extra strength. It says who should use this product? Anyone with breakout prone skin, hormonal acne, blackheads, oily skin, clogged pores, inflamed pimples. So this is going to be great for me because I do have oily skin and I do break out, like I have super sensitive skin. So this is what it looks like. I think this is a pretty full-size product. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try this product out. Hopefully it doesn't break me out more. So yeah, that is everything that I received today. I know it's a little bit of things, but I really wanted to share with you guys, so you guys could also receive free products. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.